It's like 1 amp. That's what I do. Okay. All right. So the ampere is likened to what with water? Volume. And obviously, then the voltage is the push, the pressure, right? Okay? Okay, so if we're talking about a supply supplying us electrons, it's pretty obvious the volume is the number of electrons. So if I have a battery, I have to have something that generates a lot of electrons, or a power supply or whatever. How about that push? It's got to be something that is going to force the electrons to hop orbitals, isn't it? And the harder it tries to force those to hop orbitals, the higher that voltage. Okay? Why, in the interreaction between them, I guess I want to say, what would be the preference? More current or more voltage? That's what I want to ask you. More current or more voltage?
Depend on the application, doesn't it?
Application. If I'm transmitting power over a power line a large distance, what do I want to have? More current or more voltage? Voltage, because I can transform it back into a lot of current, can't I? And if I have a lot of current, I'm forcing a lot of electrons down the line, and the wire itself starts to have some resistance over long distances, right? Why don't we use DC in our transmission lines?
It's not very clean.
A lot of resistance. If I try to make a power line that goes from here to California, the electrons have to go all the way down and come back through all that wire. And that resistance, what does it do? It generates heat. So my energy, power is really heat, isn't it? My energy is dissipated to the environment trying to get through the wire in heat, isn't it? AC transmits nicely because the electrons don't go all the way. They just go a little distance, don't they? Now there is the resistance of them moving back and forth all the way along the line, so there is some resistance, but it's way less than if they have to go all the way down and come back, isn't it? So I can transmit my work power to the end of the wire by just letting them move back and forth. And whatever I got on the end, when they move back and forth in it, does the work, right? The electrons move back and forth. There is a loss, but it's way less.